Must make sure that Sikh Americans are safe. I am shocked by this. It is not right for foreign governments to target U.S. citizens, and of course we saw what happened in Canada. The way I felt that there were unique situations with regard to Sikh Americans that needed to be addressed. So I'm glad that we stuck with it and that this has continued to thrive.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਮੈਂ ਰਾਜਕਨਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰੇਡੀਓ USA ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ, US ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟੇਟਿਵ ਹਾਊਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ। ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਤੋਂ ਕੈਲੀਫੋਰਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਤੋਂ ਜੂਡੀ ਚੂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਨੇ। ਕਾਂਗਰਸਵੂਮਨ, ਹੈਲੋ ਕਾਂਗਰਸਵੂਮਨ, ਹਾਊ ਆਰ ਯੂ?
Good.
So you attended the Interfaith Conference on 40 years of attack by the Indian Army on Darbar Sahib. You spoke very well. You told about persecution. You touched the part where a foreign government is trying to assassinate people in America, American citizens, and they already assassinated there. What do you want to say more about it?
I am shocked by this. It is not right for foreign governments to target U.S. citizens, and of course we saw what happened in Canada. That was not right, and this is not right. And so we must make sure that Sikh Americans are safe, and we must call out this for what it is.
So I think they're talking about a bill in Congress against transnational repression. Where do you stand on it?
I definitely think that we should not have transnational repression, so I will take a look at that.
And what do you want? You were the founding members of the American Sikh caucus. It's been more than a decade.
Yeah.
What do you want to say about the Sikh caucus?
Well, I remember that I thought that there was such a need for Sikh American issues to come out, and also for the Sikh American community to be supported all across the nation. That's why I thought it was important to do this. So we started this, and I have a Republican co-chair, a co-founder, that was Congressmember David Valadao. And there was a lot of enthusiasm by the members of Congress, but there was also resistance.
What kind of resistance?
Well, I mean, the Indian government did not want
really?
this to be formed. They felt that Sikhs were a part of India and there should only be one caucus, the Indian caucus.
But as we know, America is a country where it's called a melting pot, where all the culture,
Right.
all the communities are diversified over here.
That's right.
And that's why you stood for Sikhs. Thank you for that.
Yeah, so that's the way I felt. I felt that there were unique situations with regard to Sikh Americans that needed to be addressed. So I'm glad that we stuck with it and that this has continued to thrive.
And what do you expect more of this caucus, saying that right now there's a lot of talk about transnational repression, other things. What do you see this caucus doing more on it?
Well, I want to investigate it further. I want to see what the Department of Justice is doing about this. There is a lot that we can do to gather more information and then to take some actions around it.
Thank you, Judy Chu.
Thank you.